So guys, I'm gonna show you how to load your camera, your film camera, with a 35 film. Okay, so this is applicable for the point and shoot plastic cameras like the Harman reusable camera, Kodak M35, and other reusable cameras. Okay, so first of all, this is the camera. Yes, so if you see this, you have to pull this up. So pull it up and then open it. There you go. When that's open, open your film canister there. So this is the Ilford HP 5400. So what you're gonna do first is make sure that this part is below, like that, and then pull this, because there's this thing in here. It's like a small, very small pin, so you have to push the film until it reaches that pin. So you can't really see it. So in 2 seconds, guys. There you go. This is the hardest part with film. So you have to press the top part to lock this, and then turn the knob. So make sure the film is following. There. Once that lock, close it and then turn it. There's a counter in here. Right now it says S, so I have to keep scrolling until it says 1. So and now that's 1. I don't know, guys, if you can see it. Yeah, I don't know, guys, if you can see it or not, but anyway, that's 1 in there. So that's it. That's how you load the film. Okay.